What's up guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to add coolant to your Volkswagen. I know that might sound like a really simple task, but you want to make sure you're putting the right stuff in there and the right consistency. So I'm going to show you what I've learned, and hopefully I'm able to help you do the same, okay, and save you some money not having to take it to the mechanic or the dealer, just so you can add coolant to your vehicle. This is the stuff I use. Okay, I'm gonna throw the link to this in the description box, and this is from Germany, okay, made in Germany, but this needs to be diluted. Okay, it is concentrate, and I'm gonna show you something that my brother-in-law actually showed me, and I thought it was genius. Okay, so it needs to be 50% water, 50% coolant, like a solution. Okay, so what I do is I get a bottle of water, okay, and I fill it up about halfway with water, and then the other half with the coolant. Okay, and that's how I know it's 50 part coolant, 50 parts water. And it kind of looks like this. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna top mine off. So here's your engine compartment. I have a Volkswagen Tiguan 2019, and here's your reservoir for your coolant. Okay, now mine, there's a little sign right there that tells you where it needs to be, okay, where the level needs to be. Okay, see if you guys can see it there. Okay, and then there's a minimum, and your coolant should be between this line here, the minimum, and the maximum. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add a tiny bit, just a little bit. Okay, I don't want to go too crazy, but I am getting ready to travel a little bit, and I want to make sure that my car has enough coolant and I won't have any issues. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit. Go ahead and cover it, put the lid back on, make sure it's nice and tight, you don't have any issues. All right, and that's it guys, that's all it is. If you need to buy this product, I will drop the link in the description box, and just to help you find it. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, if I helped you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. God bless.